Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going directly to Siri and Search so you can access history options immediately. Tap Siri and Search, then find Siri History or Siri and Dictation Privacy. This area stores recent interactions. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID if the system asks, because history access requires your account credentials. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. They enable the device to show and manage saved voice interactions and linked transcripts. You will now see a list of Siri interactions. Tap Show Siri History to reveal timestamps and transcriptions. Use the search field or filters to narrow results by date or keywords, which helps when you need a particular command. If you want to remove items, swipe left on a row or tap Edit and select multiple entries to delete at once. Remember, deleting local records improves privacy, but may not remove data already processed on Apple servers until you request account. To finish, choose Clear Siri History or Delete All to remove every local entry from the device. This completes the on-device cleanup. Make sure to check Siri and dictation settings and iCloud sync status if entries reappear, because syncing can restore items. If you cannot see history at all, restart your device and verify you're on the latest iOS. Updates and reboots often fix display or permission glitches. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.